Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is 3rd of April. It's a Saturday. It's still, the temperatures in Toronto are still below 0. But life is excellent. Why? Remember yesterday my saga with my easel, not having an easel? Okay. What is this? Look. Actually, this is the gift that I got from Frida in 2018. This is an easel. Attention. Hop. Look. This is actually an easel. Okay, perfect for smaller frames. Okay, the one remains there. But isn't that something? I didn't realize that this is a beautiful, beautiful easel. So me happy. Okay, so that's one thing. Quote of the day comes from Alexandra Trenfor. This is what she said. The best teachers show you where to look, but they don't tell you what to see. Okay, this quote has been quoted so much on the internet, and here is a beautiful story behind it. When people tried to see who Alexandra Trenfor is, they couldn't find her. So is she somebody real or not real? We don't know. But the quote is amazing. The best teachers show you where to look, but don't tell you what to see. Which brings us to a point. Do we need to be, is it so important to know who said what? If it's a brilliant thought like that? No. Of course we can trust the Bible, I guess, and what Jesus had to say. But also people, it's not so important to, so I suggest that it's not really so important who said it, or if this person is trustworthy. It is what it is. It's a great piece of thought-provoking idea or words, and so we go with it. So this is my quote of the day. Enjoy your day and have a wonderful day, and we're going to see, in the video. Okay, the video. Remember my one swan that used to be here? First there were 2, then for a while it was only 1. How many did we find with Lucky today in the morning? Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 6. 6 swans in the morning. So enjoy Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake in Etobicoke Creek, in our river, in Marie Curtis Park. It's a beautiful, it was just such a, and please notice how they're some kind of synchronized swimming. So they would dive as if somebody tells them what to do. It was unbelievable. It was really a spectacle. Enjoy your day. That's our treat for you, because they were unbelievable. Yep, you never know how many swans are going to show up.